Hello everyone. So in this class, I'm going to tell you guys how the formation of water and H2O2. So hydrogen peroxide and H2O2. So how the molecules will be writing like this. So how they are formed. So how the formation of water and H2O2. Okay, what is the differences in between those? So in between those, and what is the differences means in bond angle. So what is the differences in structure of this both. So now we'll see. So the differences in here, water molecules, the formula of water molecule is H2O, and the formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. So this is a small thing. So here first we have to discuss structure of water and H2O2. So before that we are discussing the formation of H2 molecules and H2O2. So here hydrogen has only one. So atomic number is 1, and so the valency also 1. So here carbon has -2. Okay, so valence is 2. So conversion takes place. Okay, conversions takes place. Here getting H2 and here H2 and O. So H2 it will be formed like this when crisscross method takes place. So here number of electrons, number of atoms over here 2. Okay, and here 2 minus. So when we crisscross this, so H2O2, so it formed like this. So it is not the formation of this. So according to Lewis dot structure, it will be correct also for this and structurally and so with hybridization. Okay, so the shape of we are telling this. So when we write the Lewis dot structure, it will be getting the formation of water molecules and so H2O2. So now we see how the formation of water and H2O2. So how they are break down. So water can it break as H plus and OH minus. It can be Hd. So it act as amphoteric nature. Water is amphoteric nature, acid and base. Okay. So here H2O2, H2 plus O2 gives rise to H2O2. Okay. So this is not the thing. So now we are discussing the formation of H2O and H2O2. Okay. So first the formation of H2 and O2. So the central atom is O. So oxygen carries 6 electrons, valency electrons. Okay, 6 valency electrons. So here now how many hydrogens are there? So 1 and 2. So here 2 hydrogens. So how many pairs of electrons are there? 1 pair and 2 pair. Okay, so this is the structure of this. So this is the water molecule structure. We can write like this. So 2 lone pairs and 2 bonds. Okay, so this is the angular shape, bent shape, illuminated shape. So geometry is angular shape. So 1.105 degrees. So this is the bond angle of water molecules. Okay, so this is the formation of water. So here like this, and so this is the formation of water molecules when combined. Both are combined close, mutually sharing. So they are get an octet configuration. Okay, so here the formation of H2O2. So here same oxygen is there. Here oxygen is there. So here lone pairs in lone pairs with the hydrogen. So we can draw another structure. So here rough this H2O diagram. So here H2O2. So oxygen has how many electrons? 6. So here same 2 oxygen are there. So the difference is 2 here 2 oxygen, here only 1 oxygen. Okay, so 6 electrons carrying. So each hydrogen. So hydrogens are 2. Here 1 and here 1. So both are mutually getting. So here hydrogens attack comes and attack. Here hydrogens comes and attack. So how many lone pairs are there? Look at this. So it will form like this bond. So again they have 2 lone pairs. Okay, so the structure of H2O2 is here double bond. So 2 lone pairs with single bond. So 2 lone pairs with single bond. Here hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen, 2 hydrogens has 2 valence, 2 dot structures. Here one and here one. Oxygen is So 4 5, here 6, okay, here 4 5, 4 5 6, here 1. So hydrogen has, so 1, here 1, so mutually sharing. So here oxygen is 6, 1 2 3 4 6 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is the Lewis-Dark structures to write the structure of this. So this is the book shape structure. So it is in the form of book like. So how, look at this. So I will draw this one. So book like structure. So here adding of, here one oxygen is there, here hydrogen, here one oxygen is there, is hydrogen. So this is a form of in book form. So this is the structure of this H2O2 molecules. So bond length is nearly 1.115 degrees. So this is a bond length, so our bond angle. Okay, this is the H2O2 molecule structures and formation takes into place. Okay, so this is the formation of H2O and H2O2. So finally, all of you are understanding about the formation of water molecules and hydrogen peroxide. So this is the today class. Thank you for watching this video.